They are saying in a survey, some people were asked about their favorite tourist place. So some places are given to us. How many places are there? 5 places are there. So 5 segment diagram is given to us, right? From 15 to 90, no problem. Number of people participating in the survey in these years were 30, 40, 70, 100 and 120 respectively. Further we see, it is given that some people like more than one place among these places and some do not like any of the places. So the problem is that is this particular say, I do not know out of 30 who participated in 2015, how many of them do not like any of the places. So this we are not aware of that. That's the only problem with this. Okay, let's move further. The additional information regarding it is given. Some information is given to us, now the people here. Let's see. So information we have. Now, I'm not very much interested, okay, but what we can decode from here. Here, if I ask you a basic question, how many people, right, how many people, maximum people visited all the places? This you can answer, right? If I look for 2015, if I look for how many maximum number of people visited all the places, it cannot be more than one. It cannot be more than one, right? Why it cannot be more than one? Because one is here, right? One is here. So here we cannot put more than one people. I have 5 tickets of Goa, 3 tickets of here, 13 of here, 8 of here. And if I'm giving tickets, how many people we can give 5 different tickets? Only one person. So all 5 can be maximum 1. Right? Now let's look at here. Minimum possible number of people who like at least 2 places. At least 2 meaning is what? Can we say at least 2 meaning is here? We are looking for exactly 2 plus exactly 3 plus exactly 4 plus exactly 5. This is called at least 2 here. This we are looking for. So we want this number, right? This number should be minimum. Can we say exactly 1 should be maximum in that case? Exactly 1 should be maximum in that case. Because if you see number of tickets which you have, 5 plus 12 plus 13 plus 8 plus 1, which is 39. So number of tickets which we have is equal to 39. Listen very carefully because difficult case, right? 39 here. How many people are here? Only 30 people are here. So what we will do? Can we say to maximize exactly 1, we have to give 1 ticket to everybody? So if I am giving 1 ticket to everybody, can we say how many tickets we left with? We left with only 9 tickets. And 1 is done. This portion is done now. Right? We left with 9 tickets. Everybody got 1 ticket here. You see here, 9 tickets. Now I maximum, you can see, to only 1 person left with 9 tickets, right? Tickets. Everybody is having 1 ticket. Everybody is having 1 ticket. To maximum 1 person, we can give all the tickets. So when everybody is having 1 tickets and maximum 5 different tickets we are having, can we say out of 9, 1 person will get 4 tickets? Right? Out of 9, 1 person will get 4 tickets here. So we can put here 1 person got 4 tickets here. How many tickets we left with? How many tickets we left with? We can say we left with 5 tickets now. Now 5 tickets we left with. Now we know everybody is having 1 ticket. Right? Everybody is having 1 ticket. So can we say we can give, right? We can give 3 tickets to 1 person and 2 tickets to 1 person. So what we can conclude from here, 1 person is having 5 tickets, 1 person is having 4 tickets, and 1 person is having 3 tickets. Because when you give 4 tickets, then we got this person is over. Right? This person is over here. Right? This person is over. Now, here we can say 4 tickets of Goa we left with only. Right? 4 tickets of Goa we left with here. If you look at the number here, You can say from here, this 4 tickets we left with, so give it 1 person 4 tickets, every person 3 tickets here. Easy. So maximum 3 people, because we cannot give, right? We cannot give more than 4 tickets to anybody. We cannot give more than 4 tickets to anybody. Now, when we cannot give, so because everybody is having one ticket, everybody is having one ticket. So this guy to whom we gave 4 tickets now, is having 5 tickets. Now we left with 5 tickets here. So 5 tickets we left with, but it is not possible for me to give 5 tickets to everybody. I mean anybody. It is not possible for me to give 5 tickets to anybody. So what we can give? 3 and 2. It's the only option we left with. Right? Or 1, 4. Whatever you want to give. 1, 4. It's up to you. But 4 we cannot give, right? We have to give only this. 3, 2. Yes. Only 3 people will be minimum there. So this answer will be 3 here. I hope everybody understood this particular part. Now look at the second part here. What could be maximum? You're looking for maximum? People who like at least 4 places. So at least 4 tickets we want. At least 4 meaning is what? Exactly 4 or exactly 5. This we can say at least 4. Okay? In 2019. So let's see 2019 here, right? How many people are here? 120. So 19 we are talking about number of people. Let me write down here 120. Number of tickets, let me write down here 30 plus 65 plus 26 plus 25 plus 4 is 150. This is given to us, right? We have to maximize this number. Be very careful when you're maximizing this number. If you are dividing immediately by 5, right, mostly how will you maximize this number? Dividing by 5 or dividing by 4? By 5, I think you this would have done, or 150 by 4, you this would have done. When everybody is getting 4 tickets and everybody is getting 5 tickets. So these are the 2 answers we are getting here. Right? Assume that you solve in this particular way. But problem is here, look at here, you cannot distribute 150 tickets to number which is less than 65. You cannot do so. Right? You cannot do so that, because you have to give at least 1 ticket to these 65 people. So you cannot do so. So what you have to do in the beginning? In the beginning, you have to distribute. In the beginning, you have to distribute 65 tickets to Uttarakhand. Number 1, 65 tickets, because 65 people from here, right? 65 people from here. So in the beginning, you have to distribute 65 tickets to Uttarakhand. So let's do so. So 150 and 65 I distributed to Uttarakhand. So how many tickets we left with? 85 tickets. Now 85 tickets we left with. Now we know Uttarakhand one is having one ticket, everybody is having. Now I cannot give, right? I cannot give now 5 tickets. Can I give 5 tickets? No, I cannot give 5 tickets. So if you are doing this 85 by 3, because you can give 4 tickets, these 65 people are having. So remaining 85, if I give 3 tickets, then your answer comes out to be how much? Right? It comes out to be 28 here. Guys, are you able to understand why 30 is not an answer? First, you got this point or not? 30 is not an answer. Number 1, if you are doing this is anyway wrong. This is anyway wrong if you are doing this. Why? Because you want to maximize, my dear friend, this number. If you want to maximize this number, you tell me you will maximize this and minimize this, right? Even though if you are doing that, you will commit mistake while dividing by 4, not dividing by 5. Clear? So now, but this is not possible because 65 people are getting at least one of the ticket. In the beginning, out of 150, you have to give 65 tickets. So we left with only 85 tickets now. And now we left with 85 tickets. Now these 65 are having one ticket. Now if I want everyone should have 4 tickets, what I will do? I will divide this number by 3, which comes out to be 28. Again, it is not possible. Why? Because 30 people, right, 30 people are having Uttarakhand as well as Goa. That's why it is not possible. We have to satisfy this number also. Okay, the 30 also. This will also satisfy here. So how we can satisfy this particular number you see here? When we say after distributing 65 tickets, we have to take care of these 30 people also. And we have to take care of these 30 people also. So if I'm taking care of 30 people, if I give one ticket to everybody, 30 tickets will distribute here. Now once you distribute 30 tickets here, right? 30 tickets here. So how many tickets you left with? 55 tickets you left with. Right? 55 tickets you left with. Now 55 by 2 comes out to be 27, and that's the correct answer. Right? That's the correct answer. Yes, that's the correct answer, right? Because 27 people can have 4 tickets. Why? Because what condition we have fulfilled here? We made sure that these 30 people are having at least 1 ticket. I showed you. Because if you are doing 80, understood or not this part? See here. Here, once we did here, right? Once we did here, this 150 minus 65, we left with 85 people. Now, out of these 85 people, what I am giving? I am giving 30 tickets to 130. Sorry. After distributing 65 tickets, we left with 85 tickets. So I'm 30 people, I'm giving 1 ticket. So can we say these 30 people now are having 2 tickets, one from Goa, one from Uttarakhand, right? And 55 people are here having 1 ticket. So here we can say, these 55 people are there, right? I can now give as many as possible. So 55 I give, and now I'm distributing 2 tickets, so I can make it 4. So 27 is, this is answer. This I'm putting 27, this I'm putting 0. So we have to make sure that number. We have to maximize number of people. Can we say we have to use all the people in that case? When we have to minimize number of people, then we can say we will not use all the people there. Got my point? Here we have to maximize here number of people. Where we have to minimize people, we will not use it. Here we have to maximize, so we are using all the people here. Guys, second question you understood or not? You tell me. Right? Second question you understood, guys. Everybody I'm asking. Second question is because you have to, because when you divide a number, once you got it, you got 65 here. So I know at least 65 are getting at least 1 ticket. So what we did, 150 minus 65. Once you did this, we know 65 are having 1 ticket. We want 4 tickets. So we are divided by 3, 28. But you have to see that is there any number which is more than 28? Yes, there is one number. So 28 cannot be answered. That's the only reason 28 cannot be answered. My point. Now what we have to do, we have to take care of this 30 also. So these 30 will be able to take care of. So I have to give them some tickets. So out of 85, you can think like this also from here. Out of 85, we have to give them some tickets. So how many tickets we can give it to them? So we can give them some tickets. So ultimately we are able to cater our number. So we divide by some number and something is left out. So these 30 people, we can give one ticket here. Now 55 tickets we left with. 55 we left with, divide by 2 and get the answer. So remaining 2 questions I'm leaving to you guys, right? Remaining 2 questions I'm leaving to you guys. You try out these 2 questions. I'm telling you the answer. Third question, the same way you will try out the way we try out second question. So 27 is answer this question also. Third one is easy one. I think everyone will get it. Answer for this question is 0. If you are not getting it,